I don't shoot flames.
That's a good thing.
What is up, guys? We out here with Jordan, or Super Fresh 220, or whatever his YouTube name will be whenever he decides to actually start moto vlogging. So I'm not the only motherfucker out here doing this shit. Not pushing it too crazy, but you can have a little bit of fun. Damn, you want cookies? Yeah, I might get some. Yeah, I'm gonna see if they have Samoas. Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, dang. You guys don't take cards, huh? Oh, you do?
Oh, no, that's what I'm talking about.
Sweet. How much are these anyway?
How much are $5 a box? $5.
I'll take 2 boxes.
You want a bag? Or you put it in your backpack?
2 boxes of Samoas acquired. Yeah, she's smiling at you, man. She like that Herfanto green. Oh yeah, the wind is crazy.
Yeah, how you doing with the wind today?
Yeah.
There, buddy.
Yeah.
What's this on your helmet?
It's just to record me riding.
That is so... They didn't have that when I was riding. Wow. Be careful with the wind.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
See ya. Have a good one. Oh, we're turning left. Go, dude. Go, dude. It's gonna be a right coming up. Damn, dude. Yo, I just got smacked by this big ass bug. Oh my god. We're turning left. Holy shit. I seen it coming too, like, wow. tell you about these plane prices, bro. These tickets, dog. Because the price of gas is so high right now, man. I checked like maybe 2 weeks ago. $800 to get all the way there. I looked like yesterday, bro, 1,300, bro, minimum. And that's not even for anything like decent, bro. It's like we're turning it right here. Huh? I've been through. No, I have been on this road at night, dude. The sketchiest shit ever, bro. Oh, all those rocks over there. Good right here, black. Right. This road nice. I like it. That wind is busting. What he got? Is he pushing? He pushing P? Oh shit. I thought he wanted to race. I thought he wanted... You don't want to race? Oh, really? As soon as I like got up a little bit, whoa. That was horrible. This wind is taking no prisoners. Damn, dude. I know it's coming up on our left, but it's saying like a U-turn, so I'm trying to see if there's like a separation. Yeah, we're gonna do a U-turn like right up here. It's like right here. Oh no, there's a left turn. Ooh. Just be careful in this parking lot. It's like not the greatest. Okay. Okay. S1000RR.
That's actually clean. I really like it. Thank God for sure. Hey, shoot me the address of this place.
Alright. Ooh! Full titanium exhaust system? Yo, this thing is sick, dude. I don't want to get their license plate. They got the, even the, oh my god. I gotta find out who. I'm gonna find them in there. That thing is nice. You need the address now? Oh, okay.